Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma Haka Santarik Uleber Arhajar Arpusan Ulawanra Akamang Tyngka Duna Shihajar Kendai Spanya Klur Tyngka Nagbentang Senam Arhajar Arpusan Arhajar Arpun Rio Kabalong Gomba R Point Kendai Rio Naksispa Jungle Gross State Domestic Product Kajing Ulum Pisa Baro Kalong Laipo Hajar Sospa Kat San Klur Tyngka Hakaba Ka Revenue Receipt Kala Ken Antar Bagan long gomba arpusan hajar sanspa kendai puwe Klur Tyngka, bat ka capital receipt kalong 1,000 praspa arpusau Klur Tyngka. Lat no kejing shimram kabakot 1,000 nyuspa prapupra Klur Tyngka kejing ulum pisapat lakhen bagan kot arpusan hajar hendriuspa arbunyo Klur Tyngka. Long Conrad Kongkal Sangma babenrap bagajing pulut barok kan kot komba lai pau hajar lai Klur Tyngka haga baga revenue expenditure. Lakhen kumba arpo hajar sans pa san pun riu Klur Tyngka bat ka capital expenditure kalong kendai hajar saus pa sa punyo Klur Tyngka. Menteri Rangba ulong bagi jingkhen kejing pulut barok kalong arpunyo hajar sans pa kendai punyo Klur Tyngka lanyo kejing siu karam kabakot ar hajar saus pa andriu Klur Tyngka. Uli itu bagi jing siu kasut jong kesem ar hajar arpusan ar hajar arpun riu lakhen kumba si hajar lais pa sa punyo Klur Tyngka. Bat kajing siu bai bam temen kalong si hajar praspa arpusau Klur Tyngka. Kumta lawan ra Kamang Tyngka kesem arhajar arpusan arpun rio kabaduna da si hajar kendai spanya po Klur Tyngka. Ulong barengkat Kamang Tyngka bapura lawan ra aru Kamang Tyngka halor ke climate, youth, gender, but sustainable development goals. Ulong ru bagamang Tyngka kedai kebedan ke thong jong kajing kiu seprang kajing penkai kikam ba kajing penjanai ke bahagamiat kenong song kajela.
The government's commitment section, I would like to announce the Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme, a new flagship program that will benefit 80,000 youths from the next financial year. A grant of 6,000 per annum will be provided to all post-matriculate students to enable them to cover educational expenses. Budget estimates 2025-26. Sir, for 2025-26, I have estimated the total receipts at 30,415 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 25,591 crores and capital receipts at 4,824 crores. Excluding borrowings of 4,788 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 25,627 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 30,003 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 20,556 crores and capital expenditure at 9,447 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 2,406 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 27,597 crores. Interest payments for 2025-26 are estimated at 1,347 crores and pension payments at 1,824 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget for 2025-26 with a fiscal deficit of 1,970 crores, which is around 2.96% of the GSDP. I am delighted to highlight that the fiscal deficit has been maintained below the permissible limit of 3.5%. Sir, along with the main budget document, I am presenting the climate, youth, gender and SDG budgets. The size of the climate budget for 2025-26 is 5,421 crores, an increase of 20% over 2024-25. Youth budget stands at 3,329 crores, an increase of 16.6%, and gender budget stands at 6,219 crores, an increase of 25%. Sir, in conclusion, I would like to reiterate that this is a people's budget and all our interventions and programs are citizen-centric. While there is more work to be done, the government's performance is evident in the many development projects and the state DBT programs that are being implemented and the opportunities that are being provided to youth, women and farmers. I would like to thank the citizens, the community leaders, government employees, the uniformed forces, grassroots functionaries whose support inspires me. Together, we can all make Meghalaya a developed state by 2032 and achieve the Meghalaya Mission 10. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these words, I now commend the budget to this August House. Kublai, Mutela, and Jai.